dollar yen, a little bit. You've got to be a little bit wary of this, given that the Bank of Japan keen to intervene, and they've cited the 82, the sort of 82.5 level as their intervention target. But you know, I think they're a little bit sneakier than that, letting the whole FX market know when they're going to intervene. I don't buy that at all. As I said to you last time, 2 weeks ago, I mean that there was all the talk of, you know, the Bank of Japan, you know, saying they're going to intervene, saying they're not going to intervene, this and the other. They're not exactly going to come out and say, okay guys, tomorrow we're going to intervene. Let the market sell the hell out of the Japanese yen, and they get to sell it at a worse rate. It's just not going to happen. So, you know, they're about the element of surprise, these guys. So you need to bear that in mind when trading the yen. It's going to be choppy, to say the least, and the price action shows this. The 84.83 then, this major low is causing, you know, and we're getting a few hundred pips either side of this 84.83 trading. See these? I mean, look at Friday. I mean, the dollar's trumping the yen for weakness at the moment. The dollar's weaker than the yen, as you can see here. Look at Friday. This is an extraordinary candle here. This big sort of hammer. I mean, you want to be selling the low of this day. So you've got the 84.83, so a smack bang in the middle of this pretty leery price action, which I don't like the look of. But I know people want to trade the dollar yen, so for our purposes we will make an analysis on it. Structural short's pretty easy. It's going to be the low 82.87. This low here is 82.87, so that's your structure. There's nothing nearer than that. 82.87. Sorry. There you have it, the red line there. 82.87, and the structural long is I've got 86.26 here. Bear with me, guys. Just want to Yeah, it's not a good. I had the 86.26 as a structural long, but I'm not in love with it. I mean, these two lows here, 87.09 and 87.10, on reflection, I prefer that. Because we're going to get noise around here, I think we need a clearer entry to the long side, and that's really it. So I'm going to revise that. It's not 86.26 at all. We'll take these two lows here as the short, because as the long, sorry, because our bias here is to the downside anyway. That's where the trend prevails. If you're going to take a long trade here, you want to be taking the 84.67. Okay. This low here and the two-day high. This is this connection here, and you've got 1-2 daily highs here, 1, 2, 3, 4 price points, in this zone here. I mean, we're picking here, but I think it's worth taking that point. So 84.67 then is your long point, the one-day high, and the 84.84 is that previous low. Do you remember we looked at from the weekly first of all? So if we get through the one-day high and get through the 84.84, we should at least have a trade back to the 85.40 and through. And your short point is the 84.11, which is the low. It's this low here. Okay, from Friday. So your short point is the 84.11, which makes your long stop the one-day low. If you're long at 84.67, you've got to have your stop. I mean, it's pretty wild price action here, which is why, and we've had this sort of area congestion, the trade up and back, and then back into congestion again. So your long stop is 84.24, okay, the one-day low, and your short stop is 84.45. So the top of this range. If you're taking this short, your stop's the other side of this congestion area here through the US session. Okay, that is I'll put all these levels up on the radar screen so you can take them down. But I mean, I don't like this dollar yen anyway. Okay, that's it. Anyway, we'll take a 5-minute break and then come back and do the final 4 pairs. Okay.